So if you're one of those people who don't have their own dumbbells, per se, or barbells, or weights, and are looking for some ideas how to incorporate and still get the same function, well, I'm going to show you how. A very simple thing you can get, and that is a bucket. I'm going to show you how you can build a lot of muscle using a simple bucket. Now you can get a durable one like this, maybe at Home Depot, or even outside. Sometimes they're laying around, no one needs one. You can get one like that, use recycling again. So all you do is you get an empty bucket, and for say, you fill it up with weights, whatever you have. So let's say you do have dumbbells, but they're too light, you want more. Well, put it in the magic bucket. Under 7 pound, take a lighter one. Or you don't have any plates, you just have plates, or any kind of weight. Put that in there as well. You got another one? Or let's say you don't have any of that stuff. Well, go outside and get some rocks, get some sand, anything. See? Put that in there. And what you end up is with this. It's pretty heavy. Now, some of the buckets have handles, while others don't, like this one, you see? Now you can incorporate. What I did, I took a padding, or the shoelace off my old sneakers, and used that as a padding. But anything works, a shirt, even the toilet paper, anything. So, basically wrap it around, and you get a really decent bicep curls. Maybe I can show you the muscle working. Hopefully, if you guys can see. But you get a really decent workout with this. I would say even more than the dumbbells. Now let me show you a few exercises you can do to build different muscle groups. First, let's do our favorite is the biceps. So you would grab the padding, then you go for it. As I say, more effective than the dumbbell. It's a lot harder. The different grip and the weight. But be sure to pack on some muscle. You can do just raises. Up rows. Shoulder presses, a little harder. So maybe I get down, but either way, you can make it work. We're just holding it up there for triceps. Oh man, that's hard. It's a lot harder, but see? It's way more effective than the dumbbells. Just gotta be a little careful. Maybe for support. So another little thing you can do is grip it like this. Like a barrel, do squats. Yep. And it's effective. Like such. Hip. And plays down. So see? Feeling a little already. Biceps. Not so much in the legs, but if you do a lot, you get the message. So again, just get creative. Fill it whatever you got. And now the bucket you have is your new workout tool. So train hard, be safe, and see you next time.